Welcome to the 9th and last lesson of the Bonding, Structure and Properties of Matter topic. In this topic, the key questions are: 1. What are the sizes and properties of particles? 2. What are nanoparticles used for? Key terms that you need to be familiar with: particle size, nanoparticles. In today's lesson, we will talk about the sizes and properties of particles and the uses of nanoparticles. Nanoscience is an area of material science. It deals with material structures that have sizes on nanometer scale. They are typically of the order of a few hundred atoms only. Nanoparticles have diameters between 100 and 2,500 nm, 10 to the power minus 7 m, and 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 m. On the other hand, coarse dust particles have diameters between 10 to the power minus 5 m and 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 m. Task. Now please pause the video and describe how the surface area to volume ratio changes when the size of the particle is doubled. Hint: the particle can be imagined as a cube. Extension. What is the consequence of this? When the size of the particle, side of the cube, increases by a factor of 2, the surface area to volume ratio decreases by a factor of 2 due to the inverse relationship between them. Therefore, the smaller the particle size, the bigger the area to volume ratio becomes. As a consequence, nanoparticles have different properties from bulk materials because of their high surface area to volume ratio. This means that more space is available for heterogeneous reactions. Task. Now please pause the video and describe what nanoparticles are used for. Extension. Name some advantages and disadvantages of the uses of nanoparticles. Nanoparticles have a wide range of applications in electronics, medicine, and in cosmetics. However, the list of applications always increases. The advantage of the use of nanoparticles is that a small quantity is needed. However, at the moment, they are quite expensive, which is a disadvantage.